Okay, go after her.
Right, so I am in the dollar store because I wanted to prove that you can actually buy fantastic items in here if you're struggling for cash, you're strapped, you want to save some money. You can still make healthy choices, okay? You need to look for your greens. We have all of the canned vegetables here, so anything green is good. Check your shelves for the canned vegetables, all of your greens. Make sure there's no sugar in there. A lot of greens have sugar, so you want to make sure that you read your labels. All right, green beans, water, and salt. So what I would do is open up this can and I would rinse this out to get rid of as much salt as possible. So what I love is that you can find some fantastic finds here. These are diced tomatoes, BPA-free can. So when you're buying canned items, look for BPA-free, okay? A lot of people say that you need to go and buy organic, but honey, if you are on a budget, are you really gonna buy organic? And then I always question the whole organic thing. My opinion is that if you're going to be organic, you are organic across the board. But if you're just eating organic food and then you're getting your nails, shellacked or painted, or you're using chemicals on your hair, on your face, I don't know, I kind of have an issue with that. You're preaching that I've got to put organic food in, but you're putting chemicals all over your body. I don't know. So I buy organic when it's available and it's within my budget, and I buy organic for certain recipes because the food just tastes a little bit better. You have your beans here, $1 for your beans. Your northern beans. As a matter of fact, I'm going to pick up some, because beans give you protein. You just need to know how to cook it, and it's super, super easy. When you're dealing with beans, all you have to do is let it soak for a while, and then you can go ahead and cook it up. And I'm making a chili today that will have some pinto, some kidneys. So these are great options for you. All right, so when you go into the freezer section, look for your vegetable products. All right, so come on, let's go take a look. Your broccoli cuts, broccoli and cauliflower, that's another good option. We even have some frozen strawberries. Asparagus, perfect. And the key is that you've got to look for your vegetables. Look for your frozen vegetables, some frozen fruit. Those are some good options. Make sure to read the packages, because anything that's packaged is processed and it could have high salt and high sugar, right? But again, push comes to shove, if you need to eat, eat. Right there, you see, that's my son. He's looking in the goodie aisle. That's not what he's supposed to be looking for. We're supposed to be looking for healthy options in the dollar store. So there's lots of options here. Don't mark the dollar store off your list. There are a lot of people that live in certain areas where all they have is the dollar store or a Safeway, and both are fine. You just need to know what you need to look for. Make healthy options, choose the right thing, and I'll talk to you later.